In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop email notifications from Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Many of us use job search platforms like Indeed to find opportunities. However, sometimes the volume of emails can become overwhelming. Fortunately, I'm here to show you how to manage those notifications effectively. To begin, you'll first want to make sure you're logged into your Indeed account. You can do this by going to the Indeed homepage and clicking on the Sign In button at the top right corner of your screen. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option there to reset it, but assuming you're logged in, let's dive right in. Once you're signed in, look towards the top of the page for your profile icon or your name. Click on that and you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, you need to select Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage several aspects related to your profile. In your account settings, keep an eye out for a section titled Email Preferences or Notification Settings. This is where Indeed allows you to control how and when they send you emails. Now, when you click on that link, you'll find various options available to you. You might see categories such as job alerts, company updates, or resume tips. It's helpful to review each of these options carefully. If you'd like to stop receiving all notifications, you can usually toggle off these options. Alternatively, if there are specific alerts you want to keep, perhaps you want to stay informed about certain job alerts but not the general tips, there should be checkboxes allowing you to customize your preferences. After making your selections, make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for a button that says Save Changes. It's crucial to hit that button, otherwise your adjustments won't be saved and you might continue receiving those pesky emails. Now, if you're still receiving emails after making these changes, there's another quick step you can take. Head over to your email inbox and locate one of the emails from Indeed. Open it up and scroll to the very bottom. Most emails will have an unsubscribe link, which can be a foolproof way to stop notifications altogether. Just click on that link and follow the instructions to confirm your unsubscription. If you tend to find that you're still getting notifications in your inbox, it might be helpful to check the spam or junk folders as well. Indeed, emails could sometimes mistakenly land there, and if you mark those as spam, you could end up stopping all emails coming from them. Just be cautious to not accidentally mark something important as spam. And there you have it. Stopping email notifications from Indeed is a straightforward process that can greatly reduce clutter in your inbox. Remember, it's all about managing your preferences and keeping only the communications that matter most to you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more helpful content.